I'm Ian Donelly. I'm a student at the University of Maine, and I'm working on my honors thesis project called Microscopia. So Microscopia is a project in which I'm scanning organisms through a scanning electron microscope and using RealityCapture to turn those 2D images into 3D models. So before I started this project, I really didn't know anything about photogrammetry. So this whole kind of thing has been really new to me. So I did a lot of research, I reached out to the community, and everybody's been really helpful. I had to mount these specimens to a piece of carbon tape, sputter coat them with gold paint to make them conductive, and then put them in the microscope. And the interesting thing about the electron microscope is that you don't really get a sense of color or a sense of shade. Different kinds of shades that you see on the model are actually a product of which parts are more or less conductive. I had to do a lot of manual control points to make these models come together, but once they finally did, they created faithful reconstructions of the microscopic structures on the organisms. With these models, I've created an augmented reality application where you can bring the models into the real world. And then I've also created a virtual reality experience where you can kind of shrink yourself down into the microscopic world and kind of see these organisms in a way that you wouldn't see them on a day-to-day basis. I definitely couldn't have accomplished this project without RealityCapture, given how fast it is, how easy it is for my laptop to run it, and just given the community that's back behind it, that really has helped me along the way.
Don't stop.